Hello everyone, welcome to the Lacey Lynn Life. I'm Lacey Lynn, and today I'm also your benevolent fairy godmother, and I will be waving my magic wand to help you transform your home into an enchanted fall fairy tale land. Welcome back to the Lacey Lynn Live. I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad you've joined my channel. I'm so excited about this topic today. Oh my gosh, I love fall time. We are deep in the heart of the season of fall. Today we're going to be talking about the 8 ways to make your home more cozy for fall. I really did want to get this out pre-Halloween. It just didn't happen. These videos are a lot of work. They take a lot of time, a lot of planning, videoing, editing, the whole thing. So here we are, better late than never. We still have a whole month left to celebrate fall. Number 1 on our list of 8 things to make your home more cozy for fall are pumpkins. Pumpkins have got to be the most classic, iconic, quintessential decor piece for fall. And you'd think it might be kind of obvious, like, Lacey, this is so obvious. But actually, I guess it's not to like a lot of people, and so I just wanted to bring out a reminder that pumpkins are the perfect decor piece for fall. I've walked by and driven by so many apartments and houses, and there's no pumpkins, so I'm like, we gotta bring these babies back, you know what I'm saying? Pumpkins are the picture of fall. The amazing thing about them is they're easy and inexpensive. They pack that powerful punch of orange, the iconic, color for fall, all around your home, all over your porch. The first thing that I like to do is I like to go, whenever fall hits, I go up in my storage closet, I get out my storage containers, and I decorate my whole front porch area. I mean, I've got my homemade scarecrow wreath that I made years and years ago that I use every year. I've got my faux orange and teal turquoise pumpkins that I got from Target. And then I also got some more pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby has a huge selection of pumpkins in all styles and shapes and sizes and colors. I have some really like glittery, sparkly ones from there. So cute. And I decorated my whole bar cart. So we live in apartments, and the hallways are like hotel hallways almost. So we actually have like this big space to decorate. So I have this whole corner. So I have this big bar cart that I got on like Marketplace for like 20 bucks. It's amazing. I just change out my decorations for each season and just use that for every season, like all year round. So I got my scarecrow wreath that I made a few years back. I've got my bar cart all decorated with pumpkins and my chalkboard and some little tassel like banners, I think from Target too, just multicolored. And then my chair all decorated with like a bright pillow and some more pumpkins. And so these little beauties make me feel like I'm living in a fairy tale, having them all around the house and all on our patio, And so, you can make it like a fun family tradition, a fun family affair. Just take the kids every year and go down to your local pumpkin patch or the side of the road treasure where they sell, produce, or like down the street to your local grocery store, like ours is Market Street. Here at Waters Creek, we have a fabulous Market Street. It's got to be my most favorite grocery store ever that I've ever been in. It's like you actually want to go grocery shopping, as crazy as that sounds. Anyway, so yep, I love pumpkins, and they make me feel like I'm living in a fairy tale with these little curly cues all around the house, like I'm in Cinderella or something, So for just a few dollars, I think I literally spent just 20-something dollars, and I got like 9 or 10 pumpkins. They're like the pie pumpkins, like the medium-sized ones, and just put those all throughout our apartment, all on the balcony. For a little bit of money, you pack a powerful punch for fall. So number 2 on our list of 8 ways to make your home more cozy for fall is spiced apple cider and your favorite pumpkin spice treat, the taste of fall. So number 1, pumpkins were the picture of fall, and now we're on to number 2, the taste of fall. These are my must-haves for kicking off the fall season. Pretty much the second thing I do after I get my whole front door area decorated and the pumpkins all throughout the apartment is I bust out my crock pot, get out all my ingredients for my homemade hot apple cider and my homemade gluten-free, grain-free pumpkin spice cupcakes. This way you have them in your home all during the season. If you have a neighbor drop by, if you have some friends come over for a get together, if you host a fall party, Halloween party, Thanksgiving party, you've already got those wonderful treats. They fill your home with the smells of fall, and most importantly in this segment, number 2, the taste of fall. Oh my goodness, I can taste them now. They're so delicious. So that reminds me, there's going to be a surprise at the end that I'll be telling you about, so make sure to stick around. It has to do with my hot apple cider. Did find this fabulous website that you might want to check out. It's called insanelygoodrecipes.com, and I think it was like 25 best fall desserts or something like that. And the images were just beautiful and just so charming, and I just really enjoyed that website. I haven't tried the recipes, but they look delicious, and the images and the pictures were just so beautiful. And so you could definitely try that. And then, you know, just whatever drink is your favorite. Pumpkin spice latte, hot apple cider, your caramel macchiatos. Number 3 in our list of 8 ways to make your home more cozy for fall would be fall scented candles and air spray. The smell of fall. Y'all, there's just nothing like candles, right? You can't have too many. Again, for just a few bucks, they pack a powerful punch, and you can spread them all throughout your house. They give off such a warm, romantic, cozy glow for, you know, during the day when it's just you or your family at home or your partner, and especially whenever you have get-togethers and parties. They're just, simply put, they help you relax, put you in a better mood. They just make you feel better. You know, this year, you can get candles at so many different places. You know, most places you probably shop at already. Hobby Lobby's got them half off, you know, here and there, and Ross has great deals on candles. Where I got my candles this year, most of my candles this year, was at Michael's. Michael's is running this really cool special, 3 for $10. You cannot beat that, folks. And my 3 favorite colors were the white, it's like a white cream, that was the vanilla chai, I think. And then the orange was the pumpkin pie, and then the wine color, which I have one like right here to show you. This is the wine color, and this is the grilled fig and pear. So those are the 3 that I really enjoyed this year. I've gotten so into this wine color this season. It all started off with these pair of boots I got at Ross. I'm so going to show you a picture of those. And so I was like, oh my goodness, I need some wine lipstick, which I'm wearing today. I need some jewelry, so it's just been so fun. Anyway, that's a side note. My favorite color is turquoise. You guys know this, those of you that actually know me, but I'm really into wine too this season. Anyway, that's a side note. And also air freshener, of course, you know, Bath & Body Works, I guess, is, you know, pretty much known too for their air freshener. And my favorite is the sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Oh, so we use that in our bathroom. And then the body spray in that too is fabulous. Anyway, that is number 3, fall scented candles and air spray, the smell of fall. Okay, now number 4 and 5 on our list of 8 ways to make your home more cozy for fall. I call these the backdrop for any array of decor or holiday. Number 4 and 5. Number 4 is music and fall soothing scenes on YouTube. Oh my goodness. So the backdrop for pretty much my everyday, and especially like if you're going to be having get-togethers and parties and things, is music. So important. My personal favorite music to listen to during the fall season, and most holiday seasons actually, when I'm doing a lot of different things actually, is the Pandora Station, Ella Fitzgerald and Louis Armstrong. You just can't beat it, I'm telling you. It just brings me so much joy, so much peace. I've listened to that during many hard seasons of my life, and it's just really my favorite, you know, especially for the holidays. And so just pump up that Pandora. You can get the Pandora Premium or Pandora Plus, so you don't have to hear all the advertisements a lot. And then also, you know, those wonderful soothing like coffee shop, autumn leaves, you know, scenes, fireplace in the bookstore scenes on YouTube. One of my favorite stations, it's called Calm Cafe. It's got all these really cool like coffee shop scenes, and I've got this one favorite one, and I'll also put it like in the description below, comments below. And me as an extrovert, I really like the company, you know, of the music and of the YouTube scenes. And the YouTube scenes usually play like this really soothing, like chill jazz, and it's just so perfect for the fall holidays. Number 5 in the list of 8 ways to make your home more cozy for fall, there again, is in my backdrops for any array of decor or holiday, is lighting. So lighting is the glow of fall. Lighting is so important. So during the day, we're gonna have our windows open, our blinds open. We're gonna be letting in as much natural light as we can. That's gonna, you know, connect us with the sunshine and that vitamin D, and just make us feel alive and happy and awake and energetic. And then when the sun goes down, we're going to be turning on the lamp lighting. We're going to be turning off our you know, main head lighting, turning on all the lamp lighting, and we're going to be just really you know, bringing in that incandescent glow of the lighting. We got the candles going. And then the other really important lighting is, you know, the string lighting, like the string party lighting or the string patio lighting. So as you can see in our background here, we've got the string lighting bulbs that I get from Hobby Lobby. I actually just got those and put those on like yesterday for this video. They were going out. I use them so much. You know, we turn them on during our TV time at night. We've got them above our kitchen cabinets. So you can put string lights above your kitchen cabinets, on your faux trees. You can put them over your headboards, you know, in your balconies. We have some really nice ones that we got, and I will also link these different, you know, lighting choices below. Then you can search, you know, a bunch of different ones too at these stores. But then I think we got our outdoor lighting for the patio, like at Home Depot or Lowe's. And so we've got the balcony lights strung and going. We've got the party lights in the trees and above the, you know, kitchen countertops, and you can put them just, you know, anywhere you like to add that special glow in your home, and especially turn those on for your parties. But we have ours on like every night at home pretty much, you know, too. So this is the glow of fall, very important. Makes you feel so good. It's the warm, romantic, special feelings of the holidays. Very festive. Number 6 in our list of 8 ways to make your home more cozy for fall, we've got cute throw pillows, soft throws, and plush rugs. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm addicted to throw pillows. It's true, I am. I'm addicted to them. Have them all over the house. I just have a plethora, quite a variety, maybe a few too many, maybe even some in the storage containers in my closet that I kind of get out and just, you know, change out and stuff. So throw pillows are so important. They can completely transform your space with the pops of color or the texture. So the soft textures for fall are really nice. And the soft textures on the rugs on your feet are really nice too, of course. And then you've got those cozy blankets that serve not only for the pops of color or special fall pops, like if you want to get, you know, you can get certain fall themed pillows, fall themed throws. I pretty much just kind of stick to my like just daily throw pillows and throws. You know, so our apartment, I decorate it like it's a beach cottage or a surf shack, you know. So I've got my turquoises, my teals, my yellows, my pinks, things like that. So I could have like, I have a pair of parrots I'm looking at over here. I could have a yellow pillow saying this is my happy place. I've got Don't Feed the Mermaids in turquoise and yellow over here on this couch. And in our bedroom, I've got like a turquoise and white Be Cool, and then like some pink flamingos, you know. But so for fall, I pretty much just, you know, just stick in my pumpkins and my orange candles, and then my, you know, treats and things. But you can get your actual fall themed pillows if you like, and fall themed throws. Then the throws double as not only like a punch of color and some texture, but then you're going to be covering up with your throws with your favorite people and loved ones at night when you're watching your scary movies or your fall movies or your romantic movies or your shows on Netflix, whatever. So those are the feelings of fall. This is the feel of fall. Number 7 in our list of 8 ways to make your home more cozy for fall would be fall signs, wall decor, and chalkboards. Oh my goodness, I have this chalkboard that I bought at Michael's years ago. I use it outside our front door on our bar cart. Like, I just keep it out there. So I just change out my sayings that I write on it in chalk, like for the season. So like right now it says Happy Fall, y'all. And so Christmas time I'll put something, you know, about like, you know, some really cool scriptures, and I'll change it out or something. And I've gotten so much use out of that thing. I got it from Kirkwood's quite a few years ago, and I think it was like $25 or $30. The cool thing too is if you don't want to go out and actually buy a chalkboard, you can just get some old frames that you have, like in your storage containers in your closets, or even up on the wall that you just kind of want to get and change out. Maybe you can change the paint of the frames if you want, or just leave them the same. And you can go and buy some chalkboard paint to just paint the inside glass of the frames and transform it into your own chalkboard without having to actually go out and buy it. So I have this really good friend. Her name is Deborah, and she has this really special gift of taking pieces of furniture and transforming them with paint into brilliant pieces of art. And so I asked her, Deborah, what is the best kind of paint to use to make a chalkboard? And she said that it's Fusion Mineral Paint. They have a Facebook page called Paint It Beautiful, and she gets hers from Layla's in Plano, Texas. It's about $22 a bottle. Here's what she had to say about it. She says it levels on its own as it dries, and it has more of a sophisticated look than chalk paint. And Like I said, she gets it at Layla's downtown Plano. It's about $22 a bottle, but each bottle goes a really long way. It's a Canadian brand. They have beautiful colors. So that's the paint to get if you want to transform your old frames and into chalkboards. So number 7, that's the sayings of fall. Okay, so number 8 in our 8 ways to make your home more cozy for fall is the fun of fall. We're talking candy corns, costumes, and carnivals, y'all. As I sit here and enjoy my candy corns that got on my coffee table. Candy corns, you gotta have them during this time of year. Pick those up along with your pumpkins. Costumes, even though Halloween's past, you can dress up anytime just to have fun with you and your friends, with your partner, for your kids. There's carnival still going on. Our daughter's carnival, her fall festival is like tomorrow. Fall festivals are happening, fall parties, Thanksgiving parties are going on. Get you some candy corns, stick them in some cute candy dishes at your house. Enjoy those little cuties. Dress up, even if it's just like going out and getting like a really special outfit, like I talked about my boots earlier in the segment today, about my awesome wine velvety boots I got at Ross. They were like 35 bucks. They go up to my knees. They're just awesome. They're like theatrical and kind of vaudeville and velvet and just fall, and they're just glamorous, just all in one. So I was like, I gotta get some, yeah, I think I mentioned this. I gotta get some wine lipstick to match, some jewelry. So if it's a costume, or if it's just going out and just getting like a special outfit, or you find this really cool pair of boots and then you want to get some lipstick and jewelry to match, or like this really cool dress, or just something to make you feel extra special and fallish, and just have fun with it, you know? And go to those fall fests. Say yes to those fall parties. Say yes to those Thanksgiving parties, you know? Make your own magic. I'm all about, you know, making your own magic. Like, do it. Plan it. Go to it. Get the outfit. Get the lipstick. Get the jewelry. Get the costume. Get the cool new cap or hat. I mean, this is me like 5% of the time. I'm like usually in hardly no makeup, a cap on frontwards or backwards, you know, hair down, ponytail, something. So, and oh, and a bonus. So a bonus, I almost made it a number, and I was like, nah, it's not really a number. But oranges. So, okay, so typically you see like a lot of the dry type of oranges, like in the potpourri sets or like for home decor. It's not really my style of decor. I'm talking about just like oranges, like those cute little clementines, just sitting out in like beautiful cake, you know, stands. I have some oranges on our kitchen island in like this really pretty glass cake stand. You know, just display those in a pretty glass cake stand like I'm doing, or in a really cute decorative bowl like on your bathroom countertops for the punch of orange for the fall, or your kitchen island, or just wherever. I mentioned earlier that there was going to be a surprise at the end of the video. The surprise is oranges are one of the key ingredients in my homemade spiced hot apple cider, which I'm going to teach you how to make in my next video. So next week's video is going to be how to make my homemade spiced apple cider. It's going to last you all during the fall season, for the Christmas holidays too. I've had a lot of fun today with you guys. Hope these tips and tricks have really helped you. I'm Lacey Lynn. I'm here to make your life a little easier, a little sweeter, and to make every day feel like a vacay. Until next time, when I teach you how to make my simple, easy, and delicious hot spiced apple cider. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Happy fall, y'all.